let's review the parts of the instrument. This is the mouthpiece cap, ligature, and mouthpiece. This is the barrel. This is the bell. This is the top joint. You can tell because there's this key on the back. This key is called the bridge key. It is very important for when you put your clarinet together. This is the bottom joint. You can tell because there's a thumb rest on the back. This is the other part of the bridge key. This will match the bridge key on the top joint. You may need to grease your corks before we do this. Start with the top and bottom joints in your hand. The top joint should be in your left hand, the bottom joint should be in your right hand, and your thumb can go under the thumb rest. You'll carefully twist them together, being very mindful of these bridge keys. Watch carefully how the one on the left goes on top of the one on the right. To get these together, I'm just carefully twisting, watching the bridge key the whole time. They should line up very evenly. Look at how they line up. This is on top, and the other is on bottom. Here's how it will look when it's up and down from both sides. They line up perfectly. Next, grab your bell. You'll carefully line it up. Remember, you might need to put cork grease on first, and twist it on. You can also gently push it down on your lap or your chair. Then, grab your barrel, and you can carefully twist it on. Finally, you'll add your mouthpiece. Make sure your mouthpiece cap and ligature are not on it when you put it on. Notice that everything lines up and is pushed together all the way. The flat part of your mouthpiece lines up with this straight key on the back. Here's how those important bridge keys look one more time. When you take your instrument apart, you just carefully twist the parts off. Make sure you put your mouthpiece back inside the mouthpiece cap with the ligature on. Then go to the barrel, carefully twisting. Then move on to the bell, carefully twist that off. Finally, keeping your right thumb underneath the thumb rest, you can twist the two joints apart.